Change the Federal Reserve leaving the funds rate at the 1.5 to 1.75% range in a unanimous decision that included new voters Mester, Kaplan, Kashkari, and Harker, who replaced the four outgoing presidents on the Federal Market Committee. Monetary policy was said to be appropriate to support the expansion, the labor market growth, inflation returning to the 2% target rather than near the 2% target. So a little bit more ambitious on hitting that inflation target. Fed continues to watch global developments and muted inflationary pressures on the economy, very similar with a couple changes. Labor market remains strong, the Fed said. Economic activity has been rising at a moderate rate. Job gains were solid on average in recent months. The unemployment rate has remained low. All of those the exact same as the prior statement. Household spending was downgraded a bit. It had been called strong. Now it's called moderate, or rising at a moderate pace rather than a strong pace. Business, fixed investment, and exports both called weak, and inflation running below the Fed's 2% target. Not much more to report here. This pretty much the same economic assessment, pretty much the same risk, and pretty much the same policy as it had in the prior month. Tyler?
What do you interpret from any of the statement that we're on a steady as she goes pace for months, presumably?
I think that's the way it is. As you know, Tyler, our survey has predicting really not much change for at least November, when you get to kind of a 50% raise. Now, just in the recent days, it's worth pointing out, Tyler, the probability of a rate cut has ratcheted up as the 10-year has dropped amid concerns, I think, of the coronavirus. And what I thought, and I don't know this for sure, but the Fed says it's watching global developments. In prior surveys, that was really a reference to trade. Who knows? Now it could be reference to the coronavirus, something the Fed almost surely is watching for the potential developments in that. Certainly the market has seen the virus or the potential of the flu there to create downward pressure on growth. But
no explicit mention of coronavirus in this at all?
No. Only the sort of abstract global developments that it's watching.